How to convert STL files to 3MF using Spin3D Mesh Converter. Drag and drop your STL file into Spin3D. Select 3MF from the Output Format drop-down. Click Convert. For more information on converting STL to 3MF, continue watching. Click on the Add File button, select the STL files you wish to convert and click Open. You can also drag and drop your STL files directly into Spin3D. Preview your original file before converting by selecting the file. The preview window is on the right. Set the output folder where you would like your converted files to be saved. By default, this is the same as the source file. Click on Browse, choose your folder, and click Select Folder. In the Output Format drop-down section, select 3MF. Click on Convert to start converting the selected STL files to 3MF. To convert just one file, select the desired file and click Convert. For more Spin3D tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.